This is a 6 by 6 Rubik's Cube, and this is a 6 by 6 unsolved Rubik's Cube. In the next chapters, if I fail to solve this unsolved 6 by 6 Rubik's Cube, then I have to donate $100 to support plus fees as a challenge. So the time is, it starts from right now. This is the 6 by 6 Rubik's Cube, and it is not properly solved, and I literally bought this cube in this totally unsolved condition. And in the center of this cube, the core is a 4 by 4 Rubik's cube. If you see closely, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So the main purpose, the main way we how we are going to solve it is we need to solve this 4 fast. Like, this is solved, but if you see on this side, these 4, this 4 by 4 need to be totally look like this. When the middle section will be like this, it will be converted into a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and that is our freaking goal. So let's mix this bad boy. So 3 2 1 and go. So we finally mixed up the whole cube. So let's get started. We need to start from the middle. So let's start with the white.
Welcome, this is your life now, a wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one. Unsung. With you, I know we'll find a way through the fallout cold bay.
For almost last 1.5 hour, sorry, I shouldn't lie, for almost like 30 minutes I tried to solve, but I couldn't able to solve minimum the white single side, the middle section, the center of the white. I don't know what should I say. So I feel so much frustrated at this point, to be honest, that I don't feel like I want to continue this challenge. To be honest, just giving up $100 is to become more easy thing for me to do than just taking this challenge for 50 hours. Like, I don't want it anymore type of situation, bro. Let me show you why. Like, we already published 20 videos. Seriously, we already published 20 plus videos till now. So as we published 20 plus videos, if you look closely, this is a recent video 2 hours ago, 4 view, 2 days ago 5 view, 4 days ago 17, 6 days ago 14, 7 view, 6 view, 2 view. Seriously, just 2 views. 18, 11, 37, 8, 131. Just one single video over 100 views. 48, 10, 31, 12, 6, literal 6, 48, 87 and 17. Literally, this video made my body pain for 2-3 days straight. I literally never walk for I never walk on a railway track for even for 5-10 minutes. And for this video, I literally walk on a railway track for 9 freaking kilometers. Even my parents don't know about this. Still, that video got 17 views. Just for the thumbnail of this video, I literally gone to the same place for 1.5 hours. just to get the thumbnail. Then that thumbnail didn't work out. Then I changed the thumbnail into another thumbnail. Still no result. The videos I made, I'm not going to say I'm super proud of every single video. Every single video is a masterpiece. No, not at all. Not a single video is a masterpiece. I can do more, far better than this. But the one thing I want to mention, minimum these are minimum 100 views. These videos are not that bad that it do not deserve 100 views, because that will be so wrong that if I say these videos do not deserve even 100 views, like I don't know what to say right now. I'm super frustrated. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to share. I even bought this microphone just to make the voice clear, because when I'm recording the videos, the voice was so damn bad. So I literally bought this microphone, and I feel like I just do not want to do this anymore. It makes me feel so bad. Literally, I can't even explain how bad I feel just working on this video. $100 loss, I know, but still, I feel so much regret, literal, so much regret that I do not have any interest working on this series any longer. But still, as I promise, I will continue until the 29th of August. It is it is 15th August, so we have around 15 days left. So yeah, I will still make videos for the next 15 days, but I don't have any interest anymore on this series, because whatever. See you guys in the next episode. Bye 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 bye.